French talk of stall and surrender.
Gas, gas, gas!
Go! Get to the vehicle! Go! Shady, keep free! Let's move! Go! Let's get going! Let's do it! Come on, Will, put a move on it! This is it! We gotta go! Get to the vehicle! P2! P2, get to the vehicle! What do you got, Sergeant?
Can you help me with the...
All clear!
I just performed testicle surgery on the reporter.
I forgot to spit out my tobacco, so I had to swallow it. And this suit is, too small. That strap was crushing my nuts.
Reporter, you are possibly the biggest fuck-up I have encountered.